the order blocks, and breaker blocks. Signals plus alerts. Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Search and apply the indicator on TradingView. Traders can learn about the indicator's function here. On TradingView, search and apply the indicator. For quick access, add it to your favorites. To access this indicator, search and apply the indicator. To access it quickly, add to favorites using the Add to Favorite option. Once placed, it draws bullish and bearish broker blocks. For faster and easier access to this indicator, add it to your indicators by activating the Add to Favorite option. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts searching for and drawing the Saudi block Barker and the descending block Barker ranges on the price chart. The order block and broker block indicator is a practical and suitable tool for ICT-style traders who are looking for high potential and high liquidity broker block and order block ranges in the market. In Settings, under Input, options exist. First, set pivot period for order blocks. Default 1. Increasing finds longer-term trends. Decreasing finds shorter-term trends. Next, set order block range validity. Default 500 candles. Adjustable. Increase this value to identify longer-term blocks. Decrease for shorter-term. Set order block range validity. Default 500 candles. Set mitigation or consumption status. Proximal, 50%, distal. In the next section, you can set the amount of time for the order block range to be valid, which is set to 500 candles by default, and you can increase or decrease this amount. 3 states, proximal, 50%, and distal. Proximal is the closest level, mitigated when reached. 50% OB is the 50% range, mitigated when reached. Distal is the farthest level, mitigated when fully consumed. Select proximal for the nearest order block level. Price hitting this level marks it mitigated. 50% OB marks midpoint when reached. Distal marks farthest level when consumed. Defaults to proximal. Set broker block mitigation to proximal, 50% OB or distal. Selecting the 50% OB option considers the 50% order block range, identifying it as mitigation when reached. The distal option considers the farthest order block level, identifying it as mitigation when fully consumed, defaulting to proximal. In the next section, set the broker block mitigation level, proximal, 50% OB or distal. Proximal considers the closest level, 50% considers the mid-range, and distal considers the farthest level. When the price reaches these ranges, it identifies the broker block range as mitigation. Proximal is located in the next section, where you can set the mitigation level of the black bearer, which is also divided into the same 3 levels: proximal, 50% BB, and distal, which takes into account the level closest to the price by selecting proximal. By selecting the 50% option, it considers the 50% range, and by selecting the distal option, it takes into account the farthest level of the broker block from the price. When the price reaches that range, it identifies the broker block range as mitigation. In the next section, you can choose the theme mode, which is divided into 3 options: off, light, and dark. If your theme is set to light, selecting the light option will change the color of the ranges, and if your theme is dark, selecting the dark option will adjust according to your theme. By selecting the off option, you can disable this feature, toggle order blocks visibility. You can enable or disable the option to show or hide all order blocks. When this option is enabled, all order blocks will be displayed, and when it is disabled, only the most recent order block will be identified and shown on the chart. By enabling this option, you can toggle the visibility of the main demand order block. You can choose its color. In the next section, you can enable or disable the option to show or hide the secondary demand order block. You can choose its color, toggle visibility, and color of order blocks. Enable all or just the latest broker blocks. Choose whether to display the main order block of the assets or not. You can select its color. In the next section, you can enable or disable the visibility of the secondary order block of the assets. In the next section, you can enable or disable the option to show or hide all broker blocks. When this option is enabled, all broker blocks will be identified and drawn on the chart, and when it is disabled, only the most recent broker block will be identified and displayed on the chart. With this option enabled, you can activate or deactivate the following sections. Show or hide the main demand broker block. You can change its color. Show or hide the secondary demand broker block. You can change its color. Show or hide the secondary demand broker block. You can choose its color. Show or hide the main supply broker block. You can change its color. You can enable or disable the option to show or hide the secondary asset broker block, along with selecting its color. In the next section, you can optionally choose to enable or disable the display of the main demand. Choose between defensive and aggressive modes. Defensive mode suits risk-averse traders, while aggressive mode suits risk-takers. By selecting the defensive option, ranges for low-risk traders are shown, and for the aggressive option, ranges for high-risk traders. Toggle the refined secondary demand ranges. Choose between two modes, defensive and aggressive. Show risk ranges. Toggle demand and supply, defensive or aggressive. You can enable or disable secondary demand ranges. In the next section, you can enable or disable main supply. In the final section, you can also enable or disable secondary width. In the next section, you can enable or disable the status of the main refined supply, and you can choose its status. In the last section, toggle the status. Disabling starts auto range drawing. Enabling lets you select a mode. Finally, name your alerts. By disabling these options, it starts identifying and drawing ranges, and by choosing a mode, it will draw the ranges according to your chosen mode. Toggle alert for consumed order block demand. Toggle alert for broker blocks of demand. Toggle alert for order blocks of supply. In the next section, toggle alert for broker blocks of supply. Choose alert type. Toggle alerts for order and broker block demand supply. Choose alert types all once per bar or per bar close. Set UTC time zone and confirm. You can toggle the alert for the consumption of broker blocks. You can also toggle the alert for the consumption of order blocks. You can toggle the alert for the consumption of broker blocks. You can choose the type of alert, set to all for all conditions, once per bar while price flows, and per bar close when price closes. You can also set your UTC time zone, then confirm. We've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. All, which sends you notifications for all modes, once per bar, which sends you notifications while the price is current and has not yet closed. By selecting the per bar close option, it sends you notifications if the price closes and gives a close. In the next section, you can set your UTC time zone and then click the confirm option. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.